Hello, friends and fans of the bad taste, and welcome back to the factory in Minecraft. And we have some visitors today, as it seems. Please go out, the factory isn't finished yet. So, in the time between the episode, I have experimented a little bit with the wall design, and I've come to the conclusion that this looks acceptable for me, and I would like to design the whole factory building in this wall design. So, but this isn't the work for today. Today we have to deal with the iron we get. I have improved a little bit the system for the nuggets. So the main problem was that the belt we had here was too fast. So I have, for the time's sake, also for this time period, we will using it now, but we will change it later. Gone with a creative motor that spins at 8 volts per minute, so this is a lot of very slow, a lot slower than before. So it has enough time to get washed. But we will improve this system maybe later. But today we have to decide what we will make on this side. But I have a plan, and I have seen that this is far too low, so the train will go right through this belt, and this is a little bit unpractical. So we have to maybe move this. So, and we have two options now. First, we build another cobblestone generator here and process the gravel to sand, and then we can process the sand further. And I think this is a interesting option. The other option were to build here the iron processing plant, but I think we will go with the cobblestone, the sand option on this side, and then we will transfer the iron up in the next story of this building. And for that we have now to stop the process. And yeah, we just need this exit. So now the last gravel will be processed, and then we have to just delete the belts. We have a good amount of iron nuggets and flint, and I think we could maybe build up a arrow factory, but for the but at this time we will just delete the flint, I think, with the help of filters, and yeah. So now we need to get to work. So I hope the last few parts are gone through the machines. And yeah, this looks good. Now we can delete the belts. The belts, not the wall. So, and we don't need this contraption anymore. Or we have nothing that goes from this to this direction. So this still spins. Ah, I see. We need a vertical, no, not a vertical, a normal gearbox that we can. Then we need a shaft. Now we can place here the gearbox, but this is the wrong direction. We need a gear shift. And the lever. So now it works perfectly. So we need to go up, and For that we need to see where the belt will go through the wall. This is here, and this block. Okay. So now we have this up here, and now give me please the brackets. Bracelets. No, it was bracket. So now we have this up here. And then we have in this tower here. This should be this tower have on the top water storage, but this is only for decorative usage. And now we need to get a little bit of shafts up. And this doesn't work as I've intended, but okay. Then we need a vertical gearbox. Where do we have one? We have one here. No. Need to connect it, and then we just go up. And then we have here the exit. And give me please a normal gearbox. And we need still a vertical gearbox here. It spins. And now I want to check the steam engine. It could be a little, could be bigger and hotter, warmer. So just let me check. We could take more of these blaze burners and then fuel them with the creative cake, so we don't have to refuel them. And now this does not work as I've intended. So the size would increase, but not the warm. This is interesting. So how can we get this warmer? We probably would need to make it 3 by 3. Okay. So we need to stop the whole factory. And redesign this entire room. So. Okay. Now, and we could then also improve the exit of this room. So, now the blaze burners and the creative cake. Now, we need 3 by 3. Oh, we can increase temperature as it seems. Also, I hope that it increases the temperature. So, now... This should be big enough. Or maybe we just extend it this way. And then we need the steam engine. No, steam engine. It's too big. Ah, this is... Okay, so we could... Then we could also just size it a little bit down. Just a few blocks. In hope this won't decrease the efficiency too much. So now we need only... Nope. Nope. Okay. Now we could use some chain drives. And connect this all together. And then we have no, not here. So this is all connected. We could then go with the help of a chain drive here down. Then we have here the exit. Maybe a gear drive could help. Not gear drive, gearbox, I mean. So. Give me bricks and give them hard. Now we only need the shaft. And then everything should be working if we fill the tank up with water. So now only the belt and just reconnect this. Perfect. So now this should be working. It's hot enough. It's a little bit too hot, but this works. So now we only need the water. And the pump, and can we go through the walls? I don't think. So is there something we could try to solve this problem some way? We could use something like a block that... Ah, perfect. We can decorate the pipes, and now we need to go outside of the factory. And there we will build something like a wind powered, or yeah, wind powered, because this is not fast-flowing river. Pumpstation. So now we need the copper casing. Or could we use also... I think the copper casing will work best. Perfect. So now we need... just to go down a little bit. And where could we build maybe up here. So we just need to dig trench where we could then bury the pipes. But I think this would be a little bit too far away. So maybe we just build another building next to here where the pumps are. Oh, but we still need a little bit place here to build this building. So now the building. It should be built from the same material as the factory. And then the water wheels. So if this would be a working river, this could work, but this is only for decorative measurements. So give me please a stair. This looks... it looks not bad. No. And then the roof could be made out of wood. Give me please oak. Or spruce. Spruce could look a little bit better. Spruce is also the wood I like the most. Yeah. So. And just... and... now we only need to close the roof. And then we have our little water powered, or not directly water powered, but we will use a creative motor this time because it would look a little bit strange if we would place here a water source right up, because Minecraft worlds are very flat sometimes, so we can't just build a river we wanted it to look like, but this is okay. Yeah, so For the floor, I think we could go with cobblestone. It is only a building that is not the main part of the factory. So, and then only a door. So, give me please some of the lanterns. And yeah, this needs to be replaced with bricks. So then this is finished. Now for the pumps. We need the no, the encased copper. The copper casing. Maybe we just go with two. No. Give me please back my copper pipes. No, I don't want to join them. So, no, the pumps. And we need to power it now. I have an idea. We could also power it later with the help of the steam engine. But for that we need to know the location from where we have to dig to the wall. Yeah, looks good. So we have something like a go through from the watermill to the steam engine. And now we need only a way to connect them. Hmm, okay. What are the other encased blocks? What do they? Oh, we could dig decorate shafts with them. This would work perfectly. So, give it to me, please. No. We need a vertical. Or just go through in the create menu for the vertical gear shift. Ah, yeah, so should it work? No. Only the last bits need to connect it. No, we need only a gear shift. It's still a gearbox, yes. No, not the cogwheel. The normal gearbox should work and do the job. So, now only the doors are left. Oh! This is not what I've intended to happen. I hope nothing important was broken. Yeah, we should have maybe stopped the machine. Oops. I hope it will still work when we reactivate everything. I would wanted to take the door. And we probably need to light up the whole factory so we don't have any unwanted guests. Now, we need to power it for the start, just so it can begin to work. Maybe it could work with a hand crank. No, this wouldn't work. We need a creative just to power it up. And then, yeah, it pumps it in here. Just speed things up, and we should in time get water here, and now it starts working. Do we need to... Maybe we need to just speed it a little bit up. Is this still not fast enough? I mean, we have 2 pumps. Why isn't this working? Okay, interesting. So now it spins. Okay. As we increase the speed, what? So we would need it to get to the maximum speed limit we have. So now everything should roll again. Yes, everything works. Now how do we get enough speed in here? So for that we could use the rotation speed controller. So we would need this thing and then a big cogwheel. Okay. Let's try it out. Mm. Now the speed controller. Or just place it. And a cogwheel. The big cogwheel. Yeah, it's a gear wheel. So now why? Why did it stop? And it spins in the... So now it was the wrong direction. And I hope we can ensure. So this should work. So the water goes through here and into the steam engine. And it works perfectly. And I think we should have enough power now for the next few episodes. So we need only to restart the factory again. And it works again, and we have here a bit of flint and iron ingots left. So this we do not need anymore. And this is also obsolete. So now it works. And we have on the next floor ready. Whoopsie! What happened here? This looks kinda funny. But yeah, we should fix this. So this could lead to real problems. So note for the next time. First deactivating the machine and then we can deactivate the rest of the factory. So now it looks quite interesting. And not too bad. Our little pump station. And with that picture in front of us, I will end the episode for today and say have a good time and see you next time.